What are you looking at?
What is this?
It's my own personal stuff. Give it back.
Basically, you are limited to the area where you can land.
Look up here. Watch. Look at me.
Cool. It's weird. I get it. Okay. Just creative muscles always working. I get it.
I like that. These are good.
We have a full hospital out here in the back of that truck. You know, this is still a very necessary thing we're doing for the species, for the resource.
You have to do something about it. You cannot do nothing.
Honey!
Every time you wake up or go out the gate, you know there's that possibility of you're not going to come back, possibly.
Extra-dimensionary origin.
Knowing the history of declines and the loss of one river after another, we take them for granted and think that they're always going to be there.
One day we all know that the uniform comes off. You know, mine came off a couple years earlier than I thought it would.
You got your story, I got a lot of lies ready. You got your stories?
You're free. I love that.
He's gone, Emma. He's gone and he's not coming back. I'm sorry.
But he's what? If he's here, where is he?